Lesley Logan, and here at my Pilates Haven. This is where I do my mat workouts and film my online mat classes, and I'm joining up with Andrea Maida Pilates again for our third week of magical exercises. And actually what that means is just like we're adding a magic circle actually is quite magical. So not just adding a magic circle just to make something harder, but to actually make something maybe more accessible or just feel it in a really awesome way. And so I wanted to do it in open leg rocker, and partly because a lot of people have a hard time straightening their legs in open leg rocker, and I really do feel if you can activate the muscles around the thigh bones on the inner or the outer, you actually can get really great feedback, and it might just make your open leg rocker a little more magical. So you would place a circle first in between the ankles, and then you can take your hands, and I can still grab around my ankles with the magic circle there, but some people just have to hold. That's fine too. And then you're going to squeeze a circle while you're there and take yourself back and up, right? So the more you squeeze the circle, the more active your legs are, and that really does help connect you to your lower abdominals, which might even help you get the hips up and overhead. The other way to make this a little more magical is to place it out on the outside of the ankles. And this really does get the hips to work. And just like I was talking about in my magical exercises 2 weeks ago, the more your outer hips work, the less you have that rotating and that popping of the pelvis at the top. And so, you know, by taking this magic circle and doing a little bit of play with both the inside and the outside, it does make it so that you can feel what your inner thigh should feel like when you're going back, and feel what your outer hips are supposed to feel like when you're going back. It just makes it really fun. Also, if you want to just keep flowing, it's really easy to go from your open leg rocker with the circle on the inside or on the outside, right? You can just roll down, grab your handles or place your arms, and then do your open leg rocker and just keep the magic circle there, because I do find that a lot of times we let go of the inner thighs and outer thighs when we do our corkscrew, just because we let the hips shift. So when you have the magic circle there, it forces you to keep your legs even and really discover something unique in your corkscrew. So grab a magic circle, play with your open leg rocker on the inside and on the outside, and see if when you take the circle away, you can still feel a little magic in there. I'm Lesley Logan. Thank you so much for watching. Please make sure you subscribe below for more videos from me, and check out Andrea Maida Pilates for her magical tips with the magic circle this week. Thank you.